doing the hard work that's done every single day.
Recently, AAHOA was honored to host Representative Dr. Rich McCormick of the Georgia 6th District. We toured a members hotel in Atlanta during an AAHOA Back of the House tour, where he had the opportunity to showcase his skills at performing several of the important daily tasks that hoteliers must do every single day to provide exceptional services for our guests.
Do I pass inspection?
You passed this time.
Does it pass? Good job.
Okay.
Dr. McCormick recently led a delegation to India, where he met with Prime Minister Modi to further strengthen the relationship between India and the United States. AAHOA Back of House tours are instrumental in educating members of Congress on the daily inner workings and struggles that hotel owners face to run a successful business in an ever-changing environment. These meetings are a great way to build meaningful relationships so they may better represent us when they are working in Washington, D.C. AAHOA members own more than 68% of the hotels in the state of Georgia, employ nearly 80,000 workers, and pay more than $3 billion in federal, state, and local taxes. On behalf of the AAHOA community, especially the members in Georgia, I thank Representative Dr. McCormick for rolling up his sleeves and learning more about what it takes to provide exceptional guest services. Lastly, AAHOA values its partnership with the Georgia Hotel and Lodging Association, where we are able to share this opportunity with Jim Sprouse and Chris Hartman. Together, we can make a big impact for our members here in Georgia and across the country.